Good day, folks, and we are back to session 3 regarding the WYSIWYG editor toolbar. And what we're going to do, we're going to start off with the heading styles. And you'll notice that this right here says style, and the first one is normal. If you go down here and let's say we change the heading 1 to heading 1, you can see heading 2 as well, and heading 3. And this is just a way that makes your article is a little more professional. Okay, and also we can change colors of your text, and typically it shows the color palette that you're using within your theme. And of course you can pick other colors if you choose to. You want to make a bright pink text, go for it. Alright, also you can do a background color. Say you highlight your text and choose a background color. That's going to select the entire line and choose a background color for that entire line. The next button you see is a bold button. These are fairly common throughout word processing applications, and you can see that we can highlight it here and bold it, we can italicize it, and we can underline it. And mostly strike through, I believe, is used with lawyers, but I doubt you'll use that very often, but it is there for your benefit. Now if you decide that you want to use bulleted style, let's say we have how about we do this? Let's just use our headings. We're going to select our headings. We're going to do a bullet style by numbers. As you can see, we're going to get a number style, or we could use a bullet style. Pretty handy too, as well as, well, I think of resumes anytime I think of this. But the next button is a decrease indent, pretty self-explanatory, and increase indent. And the next ones are pretty familiar as well within paragraphs. If you just select down in your paragraph, right now it's left justified. You can also center justify, you can right justify, and then you can block justify. Pretty helpful as well. Now the next button is a find button. So within your document, you just click on this, it pulls up a little dialog box and you can find any word that you're looking for. The next is a find replace. And what you can do is find a word. Let's say, for example, we're looking for youth in here and we want to replace it with adults. We'll do that everywhere in here. And now you'll see that youth was replaced with adults. Alright. Other than that, there's a check speller, and that is only used in Internet Explorer. Pretty self-explanatory, as well as source. Now what the source does is actually gives you access to the HTML code of your document. And if you're fairly savvy with that, you can change things as well. So let's say I want to change the H1 heading to an H3 heading. Just by using the source code, you can do that. Change it back to H3. And those are the buttons within the WYSIWYG editor. If you have any questions, feel free to get back with us at helpdesk@endus.com. Thanks a lot.